We're gonna stay over there.
I wanted blue.
I'm sorry. So negative. All the time.
That's your entire vlog. I'm just gonna be negative.
The whole vlog is just Kira
Dying.
moaning.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's that kind of moaning.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the snorkeling. I really want to see a turtle. Turtle. I want to see an eel.
I want to see a fish.
I want to see some fish.
See a fish.
And yeah, they have barracuda here. Those things are scary as heck. Hope we don't see it. 7, 8, maybe? Yeah. Do you have any thoughts on Pearl Harbor? I'm sorry. You think everything is hot though. Yeah. There's not as many pearls as I expected.
You actually think there'd be pearls? You're awesome.
It's fine. I didn't think there'd be pearls. But there should be. Oh my god. There should be pearls here. They should have just made the buildings out of pearls.
All the pearls blew up.
Oh.
Let's try that.
That's sad.
It's accurate.
But there would have. That's how pearls work. There would have been more. Yeah. They occur naturally. They could have just created more. So what did we just do?
We tried to make grilled cheese, and it was like just smoky enough that it set off the fire alarm multiple times. Even the toaster is setting off the fire alarm. We have all the windows open, we have all the fans on, including the microwave fan. And now we're fanning the goddamn fire alarm so that it doesn't go off again because it's really loud.
Yep. Yay! This is fun.
It's not, I just want grilled cheese. I'm so upset.
I'm crying.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad. It like all melted out of the goddamn bread. There's no cheese left between the damn bread.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
What is that? What is that? Ooh, peel porn. What is that?
I'm so disappointed.
Oh. Hello vlog. So this is our last morning in Hawaii. We're about to go get breakfast. Our flight leaves at like 2:30 or something. Yeah, I haven't talked that much in this vlog because we really haven't done much that like requires explanation, I guess. Like, it's been pretty chill. We're mostly just sort of like hanging out, which is nice. Going to the beach, just sitting around doing nothing, which is, there's a time and a place for nothing, and I feel like Hawaii is the place for nothing, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, so we're not really doing much other than getting ready to leave right now and then eating. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I don't really know what the next vlog will be because I don't have any more trips planned other than orientation for college, which is terrifying. So yeah, till next time, thanks for watching.